Okay, it's your first view of the cryptography roadmap. You're going to get so sick of this after a while. This picture shows us the 4 different combinations of cryptographic schemes we can come up with. So on one axis, we ask the question, is the scheme that we're currently designing a symmetric key scheme or an asymmetric key scheme? Is it the case that Alice and Bob share a secret key that no one else knows? Or is it the case that Alice and Bob and everyone else all have a private-public key pair? Depending on which one you choose, you fall into one of these 2 columns. And then the second question you ask about your scheme is, does it provide confidentiality or does it provide integrity and authentication? Most of our schemes will provide one or the other, but not both. And if you want both, you'd have to combine a bunch of these. So depending on whether your scheme tries to offer confidentiality or integrity/authentication, you will fall into one of these 2 rows. And we'll actually spend time at all 4 quadrants of this table. We'll think about first symmetric key schemes that provide confidentiality, and then we will move to symmetric schemes that provide integrity, and then asymmetric key that provides confidentiality, and then asymmetric key that provides integrity. That was a mouthful. And along the way, we'll see some other additional helping tools that we will use to build these schemes. So for example, later you'll see that this scheme right here, the HMAC, actually relies on something called a hash function, which we'll talk about a lot, and more on those later. But for now, just note that this is roughly the roadmap of the things we will be seeing. Lots of protocols and schemes. We'll look at each one in detail.